everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project. And today I will be talking about how to teach your kids to pedal. So earlier in the year, Kabir was gifted a bicycle by his grandparents on his birthday, and we were very excited to see how he goes about it and how he will ride his bike. But that didn't happen because he did not know how to pedal. So the tricycles that he had earlier, they were very easy to ride and did not require any effort from his side because we had to push it. So this was a struggle for him. He could not pedal, and what he was doing, he was pedaling backwards because that is easier and it does not require any effort. So finally we came up with a technique which taught him to pedal in just 5 minutes. And I know a lot of you must be facing the same problem with your kids, so I will be sharing that technique with you, so just stay tuned. So all you have to do is you have to place the bicycle like this on bricks or something hard and heavy that can support the weight of the cycle as well as the kid, so something stable. What this does is that you can pedal while the cycle is stationary, so it becomes easy to learn. So this is what I'm talking about. Now Kabir has got the hang of it, but you should hold the cycle so that your kid doesn't fall off or it doesn't slip. So I hope that helped you and your kid will be able to pedal the bicycle properly now.
I can right.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.